Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. This is the same question as the previous 2-81. They only changed the kilograms per kilowatt from 0.59 to 1.2. So we can speed run through this. So we skip step 1. Step 2 is the same, and the formula is the same, so we'll go straight to step 4. So we just plug and play. Once again, we multiply all of the 3 variables. So the amount is 252,360,841.20 kilograms of carbon dioxide produced by the refrigerators. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. You may want to use snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never use snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.